What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have in a 2023 Porsche Panamera S. So we are, guess what guys, we are back to our matte black custom way. So yes, this is going full color change. This is going from the white to matte black, but this time we're not doing PPF, we're actually doing a vinyl. This car is going to be going to Florida, so it is going to be seeing a lot of sun, but it's not going to be seeing the weather that we get here. This client is not keeping this car very long, so they didn't want to invest in the PPF, so we're going to go with a matte black vinyl. So we're going to be going with this, and actually it's going to be more of a satin black. As you know, in vinyl, they're not the same thing. Satin and vinyl are satin and matte are two different things, so we're going to be going with the satin black. You know what we also going to be do? You know what we got to do? We're also going to be definitely smoking these reflectors out. We're going to be definitely taking care of that. We're also going to leave a lot of the gloss pieces because again, the gloss pieces with the gloss black and the satin black is kind of tied to each other. The cool thing that we're going to do with this car as well is we're also going to be taking care of the wheels and the brake calipers. These wheels are going to be going to a full gloss black, so we're actually going to be powder coating them. They had some curb rash on them, so what we're going to do is we're going to fix the curb rash, and then we're going to go ahead and go full gloss black on this. And then the customer also gave us full reign on something else. He wants to go ahead and get these calipers. So as you can see in here, if you can, these calipers are actually just a black there. So he wants to change it up. Since the car is going to be going with the satin black and some gloss black accents, we want to change it up with the color, but he did not choose a color. So what he told us is like, hey Marcus, he said, listen, I'll give you 3 colors, red, blue, or yellow, and you pick. Of course, I said to him, hey man, give me a color, please give me a color. He said, no, it's free reign, you pick it, you choose it, I trust you, do what you want to do. So guess what? I got full reign on what color we're gonna go with, so we're gonna go through that process and see what color I actually decide to put on this, and then we'll see how it turns out, if the customer doesn't kill me or not. But again guys, car's going full satin black on this. We're also gonna be taking care of some brake calipers and also the wheels itself. So let's get started on this. I'll get out your way and I'll see you in a little bit. What's up guys? Check out the Porsche Panamera. As you can see, from the beginning to the end, it went from a straight white to now black. So we did this in an Avery satin black vinyl. So again guys, this is an actual vinyl. It's not a PPF. I know we're used to seeing PPFs a lot, but this one's actually a vinyl. This vehicle is going to be going to a warmer climate, so the vinyl seems to be okay. But again, we completely matte black on this thing. The biggest thing we did, obviously, full vinyl wrap. We also powder coated the wheels. And then 2 of the, I would say, small details that you know that we always do. One is going to be smoking reflectors and also the tail light. As you can see on the tail light, again, we did this in Aztec's Shadow PPF. You can see it tints it out just a little bit, but it's not so dark that it doesn't look classy. We still wanted to make it look like a Porsche and make it look factory. So with the Shadow PPF, that's what it does. It gives a clear look to it. It'll also last a lot longer, and I just think it comes out really nice with it. But as you know, the biggest thing was these brake calipers. Again, customer left it up to me. Said, hey, you pick the caliper color. This is what I'm choosing from. They said red, blue, or yellow. And guess what? I didn't go with either one. So we decided to go with the gold here. So this is what we ended up with. And as you see, I think it was a really nice touch because it also ties in with the actual Porsche emblem that's on the middle of the wheel. And then surprisingly, I just kind of like noticed this as we got done with the vehicle, but it also ties into the interior because this interior has a tan interior to it. So with the gold brake caliper, with the emblem on the wheel, with the interior, I just thought it kind of ended up really nice for us. So again, guys, I don't know what you think. Let me know, did I pick the right color? Again, the customer will find out. We did send them some pictures, so far so good. But it's always one of those things when they say, hey, it is totally up to you. I am out of this, just pick my color. It gets kind of stressful, guys. So let us know what you think. Porsche Panamera in the books, all black, everything akin. And then we also added the gold brake caliper to it to top this off. So again, let us know what you think in the comments. Another one, you know where we are, Mile High Customs, AKA Matte Black Customs. We out of here. Let us know what you think. Peace out. Catch you in the next one. We out of here.